am on part 3 of getting my garden cleaned up. So I'm getting ready to, as you can see, I got my lawnmower out. So this is going to be my first cut of the season. And I'm going to cut this real quick because as you can see, this grass here isn't very tall. But the area that needs the most work, child, is the black and white garden. So that's where I will be doing my heavy cutting over there because that is always the hardest part for me is the black and white garden because that grass over there grows super thick. So your girl got to get over there and get it done. So when I have to cut it for the second time, it won't be so bad because they always say your first cut is the hardest. So let your girl get her lawnmower. Got my gloves right here, and I have checked everything. And my husband sharpened the blade, put some gas in it, checked the oils, and chow, he says it's ready for you. Go do what you do. And as you can see over there, I have my weed whacker right behind me. You see it? That little red thing hanging up, leaning up against my house. I got my big boy weed whacker. Yeah, your girl about to do some damage because you guys know I enjoy cutting the grass. And it's a beautiful 43 degrees, got a little breeze. But where I'm going to be going over in the black and white garden, it's going to be sunny and hot, and I'll be okay. You got to do what you got to do, right? In order to keep your yard and your garden tight. And that's what I like. I like a tight garden. All right, let's get this mower cranked up. Let's get ready to rock and roll. As you can see, I'm over in the black and white garden, and this is my most challenging spot in my yard. Now, if I could have my whole yard have this grass like this, look at that grass all up under that bench. Look at that. If my whole yard could be covered with that grass, child, that would be beautiful. Because I have some light grass, that's the new grass coming in. And then I've got the holes that Bandit the raccoon's been digging over here. And then I got this dark grass. Then I have just bald spots. So I'm going to have to really put some grass seed, fertilizer, get this area together. And I still have to weed whack over here by these black grow bags. And then I have all my foxgloves. Let me show you. See all my foxgloves back there? They are coming in strong behind those pots. See if I can put it up high. See all those foxgloves? They are coming in and they're going to be beautiful. See, and I have weeds over here. I got to take out all the weeds down there. Weeds here. All in front of my black buckets, as you can see down at the base of them right there. I've got nothing but weeds. And over here is that black nettle that Lovey from L&L Honeycomb Homestead's talking about. So if you guys have this in your yard, this is a good medicinal purpose. You can use this for your health. So I'm not going to weed whack that down. I'm going to gather these up and then I'll weed whack around here. So your girl is doing it. I got my handy dandy lawnmower hanging tough with me, and then the grass clippings that I'm going to take out of that bag I'm going to put into my compost bin right there. So your girl is trying to use all her resources to make that good quality soil. All right, guys, let me finish getting this done. I got to move that bench, and then I'll show you how tall that grass is. Move the bench over to that side, so look how tall and lush this grass is. Look at that. If my whole yard, like I said, could be that color of that grass, child, that'd be some good looking grass right there. All right, about to crank up my lawnmower, mow this down, weed whack, and then I'll come back and show you when I'm all done. That's some pretty grass right there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So sorry you have to go, but I'm just gonna cut you down low and hopefully you'll spread into my bald spots. Now it's time to weed whack and get all this unwanted grass gone, and then I'm gonna rake it, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. All right, let's get the last bit done. All right, looks good, you guys. Looks really, really good. Let me hit this one section over here, and then we should be good to go. All right, we are done. Woohoo! Now I just got a rake, and then I'll come back and give you a little quick little look of how it looks when it's all done. See, I decided to make this area where my roses are. I'm going to put down some red mulch down here, and then I'm going to take these black grow bags over here, and I'm going to sit them over here because I need to start thinking about where my bell peppers are going to go. Even though I said I'm going to put them in these black buckets over here. Let me move you slowly over here. I'm going to put bell peppers there, but I also need in the second spot to put more bell peppers. So I'll have bell peppers in the right here all the way to this stump right here, and then in the back it'll be pretty because I'll have some foxgloves growing in the back. So that's what your girl is doing now. I've got my mulch, my scissors, and I am spreading it out. It's going to be so beautiful. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm still trying to get this black and white garden together. I'm just going to give you a quick little snippet of what it looks like because I'm going to be doing my garden tour soon. And this is my lawnmower, all my tools, trash. Your girl been working. So I am done with my cleanup. Woohoo! Can we do the happy dance? Yeah, I need to be doing the happy dance because look at all the supplies I needed. 2 wheelbarrows. I needed my lawnmower, all my rakes, my snow blower, and my leaf blower, and my weed whacker. But child, I got it done. I'm so happy. So I am going to end this video now because your girl is tired and I'm exhausted. So with that being said, child, your girl is out. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day. I hope you guys are going to have a blessed day. And you know your girl is going in because I am going to get me something wonderful to eat for lunch. And then I'm going to come back out here, sit under my deck and my gazebo, and I'm just going to have me a cool drink and then just take in this beautiful, beautiful day. Don't forget, you guys, to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when Miss Renee has another video coming your way. And I want to always, always tell you that I love each and every one of you, and I couldn't do this channel without your support. So, from my heart to yours, I am truly, truly thankful. Alrighty, guys. See you guys in the next video. I hope I'm not squinting too much because it is a very sunny, beautiful day. Let me turn you around so you can see what I'm seeing. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Yay! All right, you guys, take care.